Let's face it, searching for a job can be stressful and sometimes feels like a full time gig. Now, imagine being broke with a full time job that at the end of the month you don't have any hope of payment. This can be very frustrating, but do not worry because in this video I'll be sharing with you passive income ideas that will generate extra bucks for you while you navigate the job market. If this is a topic you're interested in, stay with me. Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time here, my name is Mfon Akpan, and on this channel I share content on personal development, career, and faith. I hope that after watching this video, you make the decision to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You know what time it is? It's shout out time. Let's go. Hey, before we jump into the amazing video of today, I want to give a shout out to the comment of the week. Promise. Thank you so much for watching and engaging with my content. I appreciate you. To our new subscribers, OEJ, Vincent, Comfort, Anyim, Oluwatoyin, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. You too can get a shout out. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, and before that, please turn on your subscription. Go to settings and turn it on so I can be notified when you subscribe to the channel. Also, drop an engaging comment on this video or share this video on your social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and tag me at it's Mfon Akpan. Thank you so much. You know why you're here, so let's get started. The first passive income idea I have to share with you is to become a freelance writer. Can you write? Because with the rise of online content, there is a huge demand for skilled writers. You can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, LinkedIn, where businesses and individuals are looking for talented writers. You can write blog posts, articles, website content, ghostwriting. Freelance writing allows you to work from home and set your own rates. For instance, you could charge from $25 to $50. And as you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can attract high-paying clients. In this video, I shared with you top freelancing websites for beginners. So check it out after watching this video. Okay. Number two is to become a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are seeking VAs to handle administrative tasks remotely. As a virtual assistant, you can offer services such as email management, scheduling appointments, data entry, customer support. Watch this video on how to start your own VA business. This side hustle offers flexibility, allows you to work while wearing your pajamas and manage your own time effectively while searching for your 9 to 5. Number 3 is to create and monetize your YouTube channel. If you're passionate about something, anything at all, literally, why not share it with the world on YouTube? Start a channel, create engaging content, and build a community around your passion. Once you reach the 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hour threshold, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own products and services. For the products and services, you don't even have to hit the 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. But this is a lot of work. This particular passive income idea takes a lot of time before it will generate passive income. I am not going to tell you it's going to be easy because it's not, but it's doable, it's achievable. If you're consistent, I'm not there yet, but I will be. So if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so I can hit the 1,000 subscriber count. Thank you. Now, about the 1K sub. YouTube recently announced a change in the monetization process, but it's not implemented in some countries. It's not implemented in Nigeria yet. The new condition to be qualified for the YPP are having 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 3 million short views in the past 90 days. Now, this is opposed to having 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, 10 million short views in the past 90 days. Okay, so if you want to take on this passive income idea, you want to explore this option, watch this video, a playlist dedicated for content creation. I will leave the link in the description. Here, I basically share my experiences and my content creation journey with you, and you will definitely learn a thing or two. Kindly check the videos out after watching this one. The next passive income idea I have for you is to publish an ebook. Are you knowledgeable about a subject or a field? Are you a wordsmith with a story to tell? Turn that into an ebook. Platforms like Amazon KDP make it easy for aspiring authors to self publish their book. You can write about your expertise, share captivating fiction tale, or even create a guidebook related to your field. Once published, your ebook can bring in passive income while you focus on finding that dream job. You can also publish your book on Gumroad and Seller. Personally, I use Seller and Amazon. So far, I have published Flood, My Baby, an ebook on embracing your imperfections, and HR 101. This is for rookies or people looking to transition into human resources. I never had this starting out, so I thought to myself, why not create one and share your knowledge with others? Check out my ebooks in the description. So do not hoard your knowledge, share it with others. Create that ebook, write it down, and share it with the world. The next passive income idea is to create and sell digital products. In addition to the ebook, you can create custom graphics designs, digital templates, stock photos, and videos. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Seller and Gumroad allows you to sell your digital creations. You can also advertise and sell them on your social media platforms. I would mention Etsy, but as you probably know or not, Nigeria is one of the blacklisted countries on Etsy. So, the next passive income idea I have to share with you is social media management. Businesses nowadays understand the importance of having a strong social media presence. So, if you're familiar with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, you can offer your services as a social media manager. You'll be responsible for creating engaging content, managing comments and messages, and growing the company's online following. You can charge a monthly retainer fee based on the number of platforms you manage and the level of engagement required. The next passive income idea I have to share with you is consulting. If you have a specialized knowledge or experience in a particular field, you can offer consulting services to businesses or individuals. For example, if you have marketing, finance, human resources expertise, you can provide guidance and strategies to help businesses grow. You can advertise your services through your website, networking events, or on platforms like LinkedIn. And by the way, you don't need a robust website to do this. Watch this video on how to create a landing page or a portfolio website for your services. Now, consulting fees can vary greatly depending on the industry and the level of expertise you bring to the table. I started Zitari Consulting, where we provide career coaching services and professional writing services to clients late last year, and I don't regret it. The tips I have shared with you are not just textbook theories. Most of these tips are what I have done, I'm still doing, and will continue to do. And I just want to share them with you because I know how hard it is to look for a job, especially in Nigeria. I know how hard it is. So let me know in the comment section which of these passive income ideas you'll be executing this month. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comment section or send me a direct message via email or on Instagram at it's Mfon Akpan. I hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and if you've not yet, I hope you finally make the decision to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next one.